Hello guys, it's another video number 2, lesson 9.2, this time factorial notation. Factorial notation in symbol, you're gonna use like this symbol, inverted, that symbol. I don't know how to say it. You read this as n factorial. What does it mean if you say n factorial? It means that came from the word factor. It means product of all natural numbers guys, you know what's that mean? It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 up to positive infinity and only integers from n down to 1 until you reaches 1. For example, instead of writing 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, you can say 5 factorial. It means your n is 5. So you multiply from n, which is 5, down to 1. So you'll know that if your n is 1, then 1 factorial is 1. And then this is special case. If n is 0, it means 0 factorial is still 1. Okay? So now, so what is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1? Well, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. 120 times 1 is 120. So the answer is 120. And then, of course, you can always use your calculator to find the answer using factorial. You can go here, you go to math, and you go to probability. It's number 4. Okay, so let's say for example 5 factorial, you type the 5 and then you want a factorial, right? So you go to math and then pick up the factorial. So 5 factorial, now hit enter, then it says 120, which is exactly what we okay. So for example, I have 6 factorial. Say example, another example, say 6 factorial over 4 factorial. So you're dividing, you can just easily get the 6 factorial and then divide by 4 factorial. But another way is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You can write this out over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 using the, write this out, applying the definition of factorial, and you know that this cancels. And then you have only 6 times 5 left over, and 6 times 5 is 30. Then you can always use your calculator to check if your answer is correct. Okay, another one, you have 100 factorial divided by 98 factorial. Well guys, I don't want to write out 100 down to 1. It's a lot. But I know because 100 factorial divided by 98 factorial, I can just say 100 times 99 times 98. I'm not gonna go through. I'm just gonna stop there because 98 times 97 until it's too many. And then 98 factorial. That's the reason why I stopped at 98, because I know I'm gonna cancel anyway. So that cancel. So what you have now is 100 times 99, and you know that 1 times 99 is 99 plus add 2 zeros, so therefore that is your answer. Okay, another one, have 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial. Okay, a technique, I know it's either I write out 5 factorial all the way. Anyway, it's short, small number, or I can stop at 3 because this is bigger than this. So I can say 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 2 times 1 times 3 factorial because I can cancel that. And then, of course, 5 times 4 over 2 times 1, which is 2. 4 and 4. 4 and 2. You see that? So that cancel here. So I will have 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, guys? And that's how you would do it. Sometimes it has some parentheses there, and you but I know you already still you have to apply your PEMDAS and you know how to do it. Okay, try to practice.